In the front bedroom here, Neil, I noticed you spoke to me the other day and you were saying about the plasterboards coming down. But that's not plasterboard coming down, that's wallpaper coming off. And I don't think that's too much of an issue, actually. The plasterboard behind there seems relatively solid. It's quite cold, actually. That's very common here because when you put your insulation in the loft, this part here you can't get into to insulate. So very often this is really, really cold. You'll find that in the winter, it's not only cold to the touch, but it can feel damp. In actual fact, it's just condensation forming on a cold surface. I don't think you've got anything to worry about there, Neil. Now, if we point out here that we're looking at the rear elevation now, and this bedroom here, which is the rearmost one, close to where that really bad damp issue is. So this is where we would expect to see damp, but there isn't. However, listen to this. Somebody's put a false wall in there. I'm guessing somebody's put a false wall in there to deal with an ongoing damp issue. Now that is the only false wall in the house. I think it's a dot and dab wall, so it's not very thick, but that will be what's hiding the damp. If we go to the other side of the house, here, this is the same wall but on the opposite side where there's no damp issue. Entirely different sound. Okay, so that's not a false wall, just for your information.